I believe I could fly and touch the sky.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
Ano mo na?
Would do.
Karong 7 Sander, 7 years.
I don't know that song na ibo.
Stakon yun na yun mo na. Sige, Sander.
Basta kon yun, 7 be? Basta kon yun.
I don't know.
Pagdali.
I don't know.
Stakon yun. Sunod.
How about Spectre?
Mabog niyo ba? Ha?
Alan Walker.
Ilan kayang mga kalawan ba?
Guess the car sound.
You don't know that sound. Your sound's too ugly. Sounds too ugly.
Dali ara kung biyado ay abot maginta dito.
Only kids can say that. Will say that sound.
Guess the car sound. Nakasis ako na Ay, sirado sila. Sure. Gusto mo na.
Bre.
It's a break. It's a drift.
Sure. Social.
Yung drip pa di ay.
Social, ha?
Drifting is good. Drifting is good.
What's a drift?
Drift means if you have a supercar, if you have a super fast car, it means you are a pro. It means you look like a robber.
Transporter.
I'm Transformer. What's the sound?
Yung sa karakter. Optimus Prime.
Sand. Si Bumblebee, what's the sound? And then, Kani, what's this sound? Tuku. Tuku.
A bird.
It's lizard. Domestic. Domestic may tawag nila.
What is this?
Well,
What is this sound animal?
Chihuahua.
It's a dog. Chihuahua is a dog.
How about the alligator?
I like
Sounds buhayaw
golden
eh.
retriever. Can you buy me a dog named Can you buy me a dog with golden retriever too? But what?
No.
Name? What is name?
No.
I want the name is.
I don't like dogs.
I like dogs. A puppy dog. Golden retriever is a dog.
It's scary.
It's not scary. A puppy is not scary. I will adopt a dog. Not you. Get away from my dog. Because he's my adopter. I want to buy a dog.
You want to be a fur dad?
Huh?
You want to be a fur dad?
No. I like puppies. You're ugly.
How about let's buy alligator?
What the? I hate alligators. They will kill me in the. They will kill me instead.
How about snakes?
No. Snakes are not better because they bite you with a poisonous venom.
Venom? Poisonous venom?
What the?
Na si Zeus dito.
Asa?
Si Zeus, unsa may power ni Zeus?
Lightning.
Lightning?
Yeah. Lightning, fruit. Lightning.
What's the sound of...
Ito, or lightning, magyapon. Thunder din ito.
What's the sound of Iron Man?
I don't know.
Ano sa kalayan sa thunder o lightning? What's the difference thunder?
The thunder and the lightning are the same sounds. Same power. Same electricity.
Electricity.
Same heating skyscrapers. Same heating people. Same heating people without electricity.